Quick question. Have you ever checked your bank account and thought, there is no way I spent that much? You look at the number, you look at your recent purchases, and the math just doesn't seem to add up. You didn't suddenly forget how to count. The truth is, 9 sneaky money habits are quietly draining your finances right now. And the scary part? Most people do them every day without even realizing it. They're silent leaks in your financial boat. Stick around because I'm about to expose the psychological traps that are designed to keep you broke. And I'm going to show you exactly how to fix them, starting today. Before we start, hit like if your money disappears faster than your paycheck. Go on, I'll wait. Alright, let's warm up with this. Have you ever bought something just because it was on sale and then never ever used it? Maybe it's a shirt still with the tags on in the back of your closet, or a kitchen gadget gathering dust on a shelf. Yeah, thought so. We've all been there. Let's get into habit number 1. The first one is what I call the sale seduction trap. That 50% off notification that pops up on your phone isn't luck. It's not a happy accident, it's psychology. Marketers know that sales trigger a release of dopamine in your brain. That's the same chemical behind addiction. It's the feel-good chemical. So when you see that deal, your brain isn't actually buying the product, it's buying the feeling of winning, the thrill of the hunt, the pride of getting a deal. And that's exactly how you end up owning 3 sweaters in a color you'd never wear, but hey, you proudly saved $20 on them. The fix for this is incredibly simple, but it's powerful. Before you buy anything on sale, just stop and ask yourself one question. Would I pay full price for this? If the answer is no, if you hesitate even for a second, it's not a deal, it's a trap. Close the tab, walk away. Save your actual money. Be honest, what's the last thing you bought just because it was on sale? Go here and comment it. Okay, habit number 2, the microtransaction monster. This one is insidious. A $3 coffee here, a $5 app upgrade there, a $7 snack at the convenience store because you were in a hurry. Individually, they feel like nothing. You barely notice them. But together, for the average person, these little purchases add up to over $2,000 a year. Let that sink in. Your brain barely registers small purchases. Psychologists have a name for this: payment depreciation. It's a fancy term that means your wallet feels every single one of these little hits, but your brain just dismisses them. The fix? You have to make the invisible visible. Track every single small purchase for 1 week. I mean everything. Every coffee, every app, every time you say, it's just $5, write it down. Then set a weekly limit. A word of warning, when you see the total after 7 days, you will be shocked. That $3 coffee isn't harmless, it's just sneaky. Habit number 3 is the subscription avalanche. Netflix, Spotify, that gym membership you used twice in January, the software you downloaded for a free trial and completely forgot existed. Subscriptions don't drain your money loudly. They don't scream for your attention. They whisper. Every single month, a quiet little debit from your account. The average household wastes $70 a month on unused subscriptions. That's $840 a year, gone, poof, for nothing. The fix here requires a little detective work. Once a month, audit your bank and credit card statements, line by line. Cancel anything you haven't used in the last 30 days. Be ruthless. And for the subscriptions you decide to keep, put a reminder in your calendar for 3 or 6 months from now to reevaluate them. You have to treat your subscriptions like they're employees. If they're not working for you, if they're not providing value, they're fired. Moving on to habit number 4, blind brand loyalty. Are you paying extra just because it's a name brand? Think about your medicine cabinet, your pantry. That's not a purchase based on quality, it's based on emotional attachment. Psychologists call this the endowment effect. Your brain automatically overvalues brands you're familiar with. You feel a sense of ownership and trust, so you stick with it. But here's a reality check. Generic medications have the exact same active ingredients and are approved by the same regulatory bodies. Store brand food often comes from the very same factory as the name brand stuff, just with a different label. The fix? Start small. Challenge one brand this week, just one. Buy the generic version of your pain reliever, your cereal, your cleaning spray. Try it. Your wallet won't notice the difference in quality, but your bank account will absolutely notice the savings. Habit number 5, emotional spending. This is a big one for so many of us. You had a stressful day at work? Buy something. You're bored on a Tuesday night? Buy something. You're feeling sad? Definitely buy something. That's emotional spending. It's the instant shot of dopamine now, followed by the slow burn of regret later.
Most emotional purchases feel absolutely amazing for about 5 minutes. Then the package arrives and you wonder why you even bought it. The fix is the 24-hour rule. It's simple. Wait one full day before buying anything that isn't an absolute essential. Give your emotions time to settle down and your rational brain time to catch up. You'll find that most of those intense urges just disappear, and the ones that don't, they usually weren't emotional to begin with. If you've ever stress bought something, and I know you have, comment guilty below. Next, habit 6, the convenience premium trap. Food delivery, express shipping, those marked up prices at the corner convenience store. Let's be clear about what you're buying. You're not just paying for food or a product, you're paying for your own impatience. Think about it, a $10 delivery fee on a $15 meal. That's a 67% markup just so you don't have to drive 10 minutes. The fix is all about planning. Plan your meals ahead of time. Batch your errands together for one trip. Meal prep on Sunday. Always choose standard shipping. Convenience isn't free, it's just quietly and incredibly expensive. Your food arrived fast, and your money left even faster. All right, habit 7 is a modern menace: social media spending. Instagram and TikTok don't show you reality. They show you highlight reels, perfectly curated lives, luxury vacations, immaculate homes, the newest gadgets. And as you scroll, a little voice in your head starts to whisper that you're falling behind. Here's the unfiltered truth. Most influencers are being sponsored, they're renting that fancy car, or they're deep in debt to maintain that image. The fix is to curate your own feed for your own sanity. Unfollow any account that consistently triggers spending urges or makes you feel inadequate. Then, before you buy that thing you saw online, ask yourself a hard question. Am I buying this for me, or am I buying this for my image? Habit 8 is buy now, pay later. These services are everywhere, and they are masters of psychology. They make expensive things feel cheap and manageable. Your brain doesn't focus on the total cost, it focuses on that small, easy first payment. This is a classic cognitive trap called present bias, where we prioritize smaller, immediate rewards over long-term costs. The result? Studies show people overspend by an average of 40% when using these services. There's a simple rule to protect yourself. If you can't afford to pay for it in full today, you can't afford it. No exceptions. And finally, habit 9, money avoidance. This is the habit of not wanting to look. Ignoring your money feels comfortable, it feels safe, until it isn't, because avoided bills don't go away, they become collections. Ignored investment accounts don't grow on their own, they miss years of crucial growth. The fix is to face the numbers. It might be scary at first, but it's necessary. Check your balances, know your net worth, even if it's negative. Knowledge doesn't create stress. Avoiding knowledge is what creates stress. So, here's your simple reset plan. Let's boil it down. Cancel your unused subscriptions, use the 24-hour rule on non-essential purchases, track your micro-spending for just 1 week, challenge one brand, and identify your emotional spending triggers. If you cut just $50 a month in bad habits, that's it, just $50. That's $600 a year. If you invested that $600 every year, over 10 years, that could be over $8,000. Small changes create a massive impact. Here's the truth. Your financial freedom isn't really about earning more money. It's about stopping the leaks. You need better habits. So start today. Pick one habit from this list, just one, and fix it right now. Comment below which habit hit you the hardest. I read every single comment. And if you want more psychology-backed money tips that actually help you keep more of what you earn, subscribe to the channel. I post videos like this every week to help you spend smarter, stress less, and build real financial freedom. Your future wealthy self is counting on the decisions you make today. Don't let them down.